Nate Lowe with the Lowe Show, back at you with another video. We're gonna install some seat covers on my 2019 Chevy Silverado today. I just got done washing a buddy's truck, so I figured I'd fill in the rest of the afternoon with installing the seat covers on my truck. So the product is a Cover King seat cover. I believe the material is 600D Cordura. It's a multi-piece system. We got two bottoms, since it's a 60/40 bench, two backs, and then two headrests. The kit also came with an installation kit. I'm not sure how much of this I will need to use. Dot will be using gloves. Oh, we even get some safety glasses. And then we got a tuck and push fabric knife and what kind of looks like a pry bar. So, did not come with instructions, so we will just kind of wing it and hope you guys enjoy. If anyone has any questions on this, I will post the link where I got it down in the description. Not sure if you guys can see this. There's a little hook on this guy. I assume this is just going to run underneath and strap onto there, but we'll see here. Man, I'm just not finding any place for these to go. I'm not sure why they wouldn't send instructions with. I just can't believe that that's what you end up doing. I mean, see, now that one won't even touch. And that ain't good enough. So the fitment's not bad. It isn't perfect. There is some air bubbles and stuff under there, but it's a very, very durable material, so I can't expect anything too great. The main objective back here is to prevent my dog and any fellow coworkers from scratching the seats. Okay, time for the top portion of the seat. There's a cutout here. I assume that's going to be for that guy there. Be two little holes up in here, right there, and then one over there. Okay, I think we're on to something with those two pins. Let's see what we can find here in the toolbox. Bingo. And then pop the other side. So there's a hook and loop or Velcro protectant wrap here. It says remove during installation. I'll remove that once I get it down into the seat. And then on the other side that you feed down and through, there's the other part of the Velcro. This is not fun. Okay guys, I got this side. The strap is roughly right in here, and there is a bracket on the back of the seat back in here. So when you guys do go to do this, make sure you're on the left side of the bracket. what you want to do is shove the straps through the back of the seat, and then also you want to tuck that protected area down through the seat. Here's that protective part that we just got done shoving through the seat. Next, what you'll want to do is reach around the back of the seat and grab that strap that we shoved down through. And then you're going to take this and fold it back around, and then grab that strap and attach it to this one. As you can see, there's that strap we dropped through the back of the seat, and then here's our flap that we shoved through the front of the seat. It's kind of hard to get this on camera, but this is going to wrap around like that, and then this gets pulled tight and strapped to that. Alright guys, curiosity got the best of me. This does not go there. I reached around and felt for that strap, and once you find it, give it a pull downward and these should hook together. Pull those down and interloop them like that. That seems to make the fitment a lot nicer as well. Okay, now to address the pocket area. This shouldn't be too hard. Fold this down. Fold those in. And there's a plastic trim panel inside here. Tuck them back in there. This is what I was talking about, guys. Just tuck them back in that trim panel there. What actually ended up working for me was leaving it about halfway bent down, and then you can get your hand under there better to get it behind the bottom trim. Okay guys, now it's time to grab the headrest and install the seat cover for that. Then we'll finish this seat up. It looks like there is a front and a back. What I assume the front should be the nicer flush finish. So we'll put that on first. You're gonna want this to be underneath the other two flaps. That way it gives you a nice finish. And then continue by tucking the rest of the Velcro underneath. And again, fold this side piece in, that piece over, and then Velcro the rest of the seat cover on. Make sure your holes are lined up, and then push it down. Now we'll continue on with the next seat, and since I already showed you guys how to do this one, I'm just gonna fast loop it through, and if I come across anything, I'll let you guys know. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys is they did include what looks like a little seat cushion. I'm gonna try it on this seat and see if it makes a difference, and if it does, I will go back and put it in that seat over there. Now again, remember these clips here attach to the clips that are on the top seat cover as well. Don't clip them how I did originally on here. now time for the last and final piece. You get this to go over the cup holder and armrest. We'll start with it at about a 45. We'll slide this over it. Shove the tail of the piece through the bottom. Okay, now on this piece as well as the others, there is a protective piece so that it doesn't get full of dirt. Okay, what you're going to want to do, take the flap through the back and go underneath this piece and then Velcro it together. Also, there's a little hole in this piece for the loop to pull the seat down. Make sure you pull that out. And now for the final result. What do you guys think? The fit of these Cover King heavy duty Cordura seat covers is not the best, but it will serve my purpose and protect the seats. Also make it easy for cleanup. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you put these seat covers in your truck or not? If you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Also, make sure you turn on that bell notification for the next time I upload a video. Once the Guns and Camel seat covers are in, I will be sure to do a video on how to install those as well. Thanks everybody. Until then, I'll see you guys later.